Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on lady sweater, cardigan, baby sweater, cap. This pattern is very easy to knit. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 2 stitches and add 1 extra stitch. From wrong side it look like this. For tutorial, cast on 16 plus 1, 17 stitches, row 1, right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 1, skip 1, then purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, knit like this till end. Knitted stitch. Row 2, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. Row 3, right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 2, skip 1, purl 1, 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 purl 1 more stitch in the end and knit edge stitch. Row 4, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. This is 4 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 4 rows again and again. Now again knit as row 1, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, knit like this till end. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification and also write the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.